start, I'm going to take off this engine cover, 3 5mm Allen bolts. I only have 2 that are holding this on, but remove whatever you have. And now pull up on it, set it aside. The solenoid that we're after is this one right here, and as you can see, it's held on with a Phillips head screw, but to get to that Phillips head screw might be a little tricky, so I'm just going to start by unplugging the electrical connector and the 2 vacuum hoses. That way we can get things out of our way. This one's a little stiff. Set that aside. Be very gentle when you use pliers like this. There we go. You don't want to break the hose. And now if you have anything that can get under there, great, use it. If not, let's unbolt this whole bracket, pull it up so we can get to the Phillips head screw. To do this, there are 2 10mm nuts, one on each side of this bracket. Remove both. And now with this unbolted, you can pull it right up and we can get to the little screw that holds on this solenoid. Oh, there we go. Try not to lose the screw in the engine bay. Set that aside safely, and now you can remove this. Let's replace it with a new one. Let's get this new solenoid in. It's got a little hook here that has to slide into its corresponding hole. Line up the bolt hole, and let's put in this little screw. Again, make sure you don't drop it. And just snug it up, make sure it's secure. Perfect, just like that. Since I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and reconnect these hoses. Make sure they're bottomed out all the way. Plug it in. Drop this bracket down. Let's put in the 2 nuts. One goes over here. The other one goes on the other side. This one's a little trickier to get to just because you have this vacuum line in the way and then this connector here. So snug them both up. All right, now let's get the engine cover on. To line up this engine cover, this stud right here has to line up with the Lexus emblem, and then the 3 holes have to line up with the 3 studs on the front here. And of course the fill cap for the oil, that lines up as well. Okay, let's put in the 2 bolts. They're actually nuts, I guess. And of course, if you had your 3rd one, put that in as well. If not, you're all set. Turn on your engine, make sure you have no check engine lights.